Forget everything you know about artificial intelligence generating funny images or writing basic, repetitive emails. The global financial sector has just crossed a dangerous technological threshold that is actively and permanently eradicating the white-collar middle class. The major banking institutions have completely moved past simple generative AI models. They are currently deploying what is known in the industry as agentic AI, and it changes the entire foundation of the economy. These are not standard conversational chatbots waiting for a prompt. These are persistent, highly complex, autonomous systems that have been granted actual transactional authority over real institutional capital. Right now, massive institutions like Goldman Sachs and major European banks such as Lloyds Banking Group are aggressively rolling out these systems as digital co-workers. Goldman Sachs, for example, is actively developing autonomous agents powered by Anthropic's Claude model to handle trade accounting and client onboarding, acting as digital coworkers that bypass process-heavy human operations entirely. Lloyds Banking Group projects that enterprise-wide deployment of agentic AI will add £100 million in value this year alone by automating fraud investigations and complex compliance complaints. IDC forecasts that by 2026, 40% of G2000 employees will interact directly with AI systems, with organizations adopting this model seeing up to 15% higher operating margins by 2029. Human beings are no longer executing the core work. They are only stepping in to oversee the edge cases. This is the ultimate margin expander for corporate balance sheets, and it is being driven by extreme macroeconomic volatility. Recently, the Supreme Court struck down sweeping global tariffs in a landmark 6-3 case known as Learning Resources versus Trump. This ruling caused massive supply chain and margin uncertainty for large multinational corporations overnight. Their immediate, ruthless response to this unpredictability is to aggressively cut their fixed labor costs. Why pay a six-figure salary plus benefits to a human middle-office financial analyst when an intent-driven agentic AI can execute the end-to-end workflow of 5 human beings instantly without ever logging off? Financial institutions are transitioning to an intelligence-first operating system, pursuing the 10 times bank model where lean human teams manage entire autonomous ecosystems built on SOC 2 compliant infrastructures and API-first designs. This agentic economy is even fueling the rise of vertical AI systems and one-person businesses capable of scaling to massive valuations without ever hiring a human employee, relying instead on real-time metering and instant settlement systems. The institutional efficiency gains are entirely unprecedented, but the systemic risk they are introducing to the market is astronomical. We are currently operating in an environment where an unmonitored logic hallucination or a data error inside an autonomous agent could easily execute a cascade of catastrophic market trades before a human supervisor can even pull the plug. We have essentially handed the keys to the global economy over to the machines in the name of corporate efficiency. The white-collar financial job market is not just shrinking due to a standard economic cycle. It is being permanently automated out of existence, and the machines are already making the trades.